you were talking about what we saw, the signing of the battery swapping technology, NIO. What kind of position is NIO in a competitive landscape?
I would say an experimental position. So what they're trying with this battery swapping is this really novel solution to this road anxiety issue, which is the idea that you could drive your vehicle up to a station, and instead of filling it with gas or sitting there for it to charge, you have the battery swapped out in 5 or 10 minutes and have a new battery put in. It's a different model. It's a very capital intensive model.
Partnerships, collaboration, and innovation. This is what NIO is about. We've seen NIO making waves in the electric vehicle industry with recent activities and partnerships. From securing tech deals with For7 to forging strategic collaborations with CATL and Shell, NIO is actively expanding its reach and capabilities. These partnerships are not just about boosting sales or market presence. They signify a strategy in driving innovation and advancing sustainable transportation. So, how do these alliances position NIO for success in the ever-evolving EV industry? NIO's journey in the EV market has been characterized by highs and lows. Despite being the first Chinese EV maker to list on the New York stock market in 2018, the company has faced challenges of maintaining investor confidence. A bailout from a regional Chinese government during the pandemic and efforts to buy back factories highlight the company's resilience amidst adversity. NIO's recent tech licensing agreement with For7, a unit of Abu Dhabi CYVN state investment vehicle, marks a significant milestone in the company's expansion strategy. Following Abu Dhabi's $2.2 billion investment in NIO, this deal underscores a growing interest in NIO's technology and expertise. Under the agreement, NIO benefits from a fixed upfront license fee and royalties tied to future sales of licensed products by For7. The market responded positively to the news, with NIO stock experiencing a 2.4% increase in overnight trading. The partnership with For7 opens doors for NIO to expand its presence in the luxury EV market in England. For7 plans to leverage NIO's technology with Murray's iStream manufacturing process. This collaboration holds promise for both companies, offering opportunities for innovation and growth in the competitive EV landscape. This year, NIO also made headlines with its collaboration with China Southern Power Grid peak regulation and frequency modulation energy storage technology and NIO Energy Investment. In a strategic alliance signed on February 26, 2024, the two entities outlined comprehensive collaboration in various areas, including virtual power plants, battery swap stations, and electric station businesses. This partnership aims to enhance grid services such as peak regulation and frequency modulation, ultimately improving asset operational efficiency and benefits. Virtual power plants, crucial for bidirectional flexibility adjustments within the power system, are pivotal in optimizing distributed resources like charging stations and energy storage. With China's first megawatt-level lithium battery energy storage station under its belt, CGS Energy Storage Tech brings valuable experience to the Cogent microgrid-type distributed charging facility and has actively participated in grid peak shaving initiatives since 2019. Equipped with advanced technologies like quantum encryption and 5G dedicated slices, NIO's power swap stations can respond to virtual power plant control commands in seconds. This capability, coupled with NIO Energy's collaboration with CGS Energy Storage Tech, aims to enhance the controllable capacity of flexible resources like electric vehicles, enabling more efficient participation in the electricity market through virtual power plants. Now, did you know in 2021, Shell and NIO struck a strategic cooperation agreement aimed at enhancing the charging experience for electric vehicle customers worldwide? Both companies committed to intensifying efforts in research and development, particularly in battery swapping technologies, to further improve the overall technology and business model. The collaboration between NIO and Shell entails the development of a network of co-branded battery swap stations, starting with 2 pilot sites in China and expanding to 100 sites by 2025. Additionally, they plan to integrate Shell Recharge mobility service provider in Europe, granting customers access to one of Europe's largest roaming EV charging networks through Shell Recharge Solutions. Istvan Kapitany, Global Executive Vice President of Shell Mobility, expressed excitement about the partnership, emphasizing the breadth of collaboration and its value to EV customers globally. He highlighted the focus on improving every aspect of the EV experience, including high-speed charging at NIO locations and making battery swaps available at convenient Shell locations. William Lee, founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO, emphasized the partnership's significance in accelerating the energy transition and contributing to sustainable development globally. He expressed confidence that the collaboration would improve services and experiences for electric vehicle users worldwide. But before we move on, we just want to thank you for watching this far. 2 years later, in 2023, Geely Holding Group and NIO inked a significant strategic partnership agreement focusing on battery swapping technology in Hangzhou, China. This collaboration will enhance battery standards, technology, network expansion, and swappable model development. Both parties, represented by their respective executives, are committed to co-developing battery swapping standards for private and commercial vehicles and expanding operational scale to provide convenient and safe user services. The partnership aligns with China's new infrastructure and energy development goals, aiming to standardize battery swapping technology and accelerate the low-carbon transformation of the automotive industry. William Li emphasized the partnership's role in popularizing battery swapping and enhancing the electric vehicle experience globally. Geely Holdings founder and chairman, Eric Li, highlighted the importance of joint efforts to advance battery swapping technology and support the industry's low-carbon transformation. In a separate collaboration, NIO and CATL also strengthened their existing strategic partnership to further advance battery innovation and EV adoption. The agreement focuses on technological cooperation in new brands, projects, and markets, aiming to improve supply-demand coordination and propel overseas expansion. Both companies aim to develop long service life batteries to enhance the EV driving experience, supporting NIO's expansion into new markets while expanding CATL's battery production footprint globally.
Well, it's definitely one of the main EV companies with very impressive technology, impressive cars, impressive brand, and they try to sell you the lifestyle of NIO, but it hasn't been doing as well over last year or so, and especially in terms of sales, because that's what's most important at the end of the day. And I think there's multiple reasons there, right? And one of them is the China macro conditions, where consumer are not spending. Especially on big tickets. And as you know, NIO operates in a top premium or mass segment, premium segment in China. So their cars are a little more expensive, and also they're not, as much going head-to-head with Li Auto, which is outpacing them and then selling better cars and having better traction. And the second thing is they keep coming up with new models every year. So you get into a few months where NIO sales were very low, and then they pick up after 3 months, and then they go down. They haven't been able to break through the 20,000. They haven't been able to focus on few cars. So they need to kind of look at the strategy, and they are now, and reconsider.
Oh, let's not forget about NIO's recent moves in the stock market. They made headlines with a surge in share price after announcing strategic partnerships related to battery swaps with several enterprises. This move is seen as a positive step for consumer convenience, but also carries risks for NIO's stock. According to reports, NIO's partnership involves notable companies like Wenergy Group, Anhui Transportation Holding Group, JAC Group, and Chery Automobile. The collaboration aims to build a shared energy storage, charging, and battery swap system to streamline EV charging processes. While this move could boost sentiment for NIO's stock, challenges lie ahead. Building out swapping networks requires significant investment in infrastructure, and running and maintaining such stations can be costly. Additionally, NIO's international ambitions may face hurdles, as many jurisdictions have already heavily invested in charging stations, making the battery swapping strategy more suitable for the Chinese market. Moreover, investor sentiment towards NIO has been mixed, with the stock experiencing a notable decline in the past year. Factors like elevated short interest and heavy options trading further complicate the stock's outlook. On top of that, recent downgrades from analysts have added pressure on NIO's stock price. JP Morgan, for instance, downgraded NIO to underweight, citing low earnings visibility and increased competition in the Chinese auto industry. This has led to revised price targets, with some analysts forecasting further downside for NIO's shares. Despite these challenges, some analysts remain optimistic about NIO's long-term prospects, citing ongoing developments in the EV market and the company's product innovations. However, technical analysis suggests a bearish outlook for NIO's stock in the near term, indicating a challenging road ahead for the Chinese EV manufacturer in 2024. Now, these partnerships represent NIO's commitment to innovation and growth in the EV space. So, will NIO overcome these challenges and emerge stronger in the competitive EV market through partnerships and collaborations? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And that's it. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know about NIO stock, just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.